Are you tired of dealing with dull, uneven skin? Chemical exfoliants can be a game changer in your skincare routine, helping to remove dead skin cells, refine pores, and brighten your complexion. But with so many products available, how do you know which one to choose? In this video, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 chemical exfoliants, breaking down their features, benefits, and performance so you can find your perfect match. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, The Ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution is a cult favorite exfoliant that delivers professional-level results at an affordable price. Its powerful formula combines alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, and beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs, to target multiple skin concerns. Key features: this potent exfoliant contains a blend of glycolic, lactic, and salicylic acids to exfoliate both the skin's surface and deeper layers. It also includes Tasmanian pepperberry to reduce irritation, hyaluronic acid for hydration, and vitamin B5 to promote healing. Benefits and usage: apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin, leaving it on for no more than 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Use once or twice weekly for visibly smoother texture, reduced blemishes, and a radiant glow. It's perfect for tackling hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and clogged pores. Usability: this product requires careful handling due to its high concentration of active ingredients. It's suitable for experienced users, but may not be ideal for beginners or sensitive skin types. A patch test is highly recommended. Durability: the 30 ml bottle may seem small, but a little goes a long way. Its dark glass packaging preserves the formula's potency, ensuring consistent results over time. In the second spot, we have Paula's Choice. The Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant is a gentle yet effective option for those looking to improve skin texture and clarity. With salicylic acid as its star ingredient, this exfoliant is a go-to for oily and acne-prone skin. Key features: this product features 2% salicylic acid to exfoliate inside the pores, green tea extract for its soothing and antioxidant properties, and a non-abrasive, fragrance-free formula that's suitable for all skin types. Benefits and usage: apply this liquid exfoliant to a cotton pad and gently sweep it across your face, avoiding the eye area. Regular use helps unclog pores, reduce blackheads, and improve overall skin tone. It's also effective at calming redness and irritation. Usability: its lightweight, non-greasy texture makes it easy to incorporate into your daily skincare routine. It layers well with serums and moisturizers, making it versatile for both morning and evening use. Durability: the sturdy bottle contains enough product to last several months with regular use. Its well-sealed design ensures the formula remains fresh and effective. Taking our fourth spot is Pixi. The Pixi Glow Tonic is a fan-favorite chemical exfoliant known for its gentle yet effective formula. With 5% glycolic acid, it's an excellent choice for daily use and is suitable for all skin types. Key features: this toner combines glycolic acid to exfoliate, aloe vera to soothe, and ginseng to energize and improve circulation. Its alcohol-free formula ensures hydration while delivering a radiant glow. Benefits and usage: after cleansing, apply the toner to a cotton pad and gently sweep it across your face and neck. Regular use reveals brighter, smoother skin and helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots and fine lines. Usability: its lightweight, non-sticky formula absorbs quickly, making it easy to follow up with serums and moisturizers. It's gentle enough for everyday use, even for those new to chemical exfoliation. Durability: the sturdy plastic bottle comes in multiple sizes, allowing you to choose the best option for your needs. Its affordable price and long-lasting formula make it a budget-friendly choice. And finally, at number 5, we have La Roche-Posay. The La Roche-Posay Effaclar Clarifying Solution is a dermatologist-recommended chemical exfoliant designed to refine pores and improve skin texture. With a blend of salicylic acid and glycolic acid, it's ideal for acne-prone skin. Key features: this toner features 0.5% salicylic acid to target blemishes, 2% glycolic acid for exfoliation, and thermal spring water to soothe and hydrate. Its oil-free, fragrance-free formula is non-comedogenic and suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: after cleansing, apply the solution to a cotton pad and gently sweep it over your face, avoiding the eye area. With consistent use, you'll notice reduced blemishes, smoother skin, and a more refined complexion. Usability: its lightweight formula is easy to incorporate into your skincare routine, and it layers well with other products. It's a practical choice for both morning and evening use. Durability: packaged in a durable plastic bottle, this product is designed for long-term use. Its well-sealed design ensures the formula remains potent and effective. And that wraps up our top 5 chemical exfoliants for achieving smooth, radiant skin. Whether you're tackling acne, dullness, or fine lines, there's a product here to suit your needs. Remember to start slow with chemical exfoliants, especially if you're new to them, and always pair them with sunscreen during the day. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more expert skincare tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.